వెల్కమ్ టు ఈ వారం అతిథి. సో ప్రతి వారం లాగే ఇవాళ కూడా ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారండి. పోటుగాడు మూవీలో మజ్ను ముంతాజ్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేసి మనందరినీ మెప్పించి దాని తర్వాత చాలా మూవీస్ చేసి రీసెంట్గా ఆక్సిజన్ మూవీలో ఐటమ్ నెంబర్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి రాజా యూత్ ఇలా ఉంది అంటూ కొత్త మూవీతో మనందరి ముందుకి వచ్చేస్తున్న సాక్షి చౌదరి మనతో పాటు మన స్టూడియోలో ఉన్నారు. సో ఇంకేమాత్రం ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ఇంకా చాలా బోల్డ్ అనే విషయాలు తన మాటలోనే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. Hi Sakshi.
Hi Gayatri.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
And first of all, welcome to our studio.
Thank you so much.
So, how's life going?
It's going very good.
Mm.
It's going really nice.
Okay. So, here is your new movie.
Yeah.
Enti Raja, Youth Ila Undi.
Youth Ila
So,
Undi.
ela undi working adanta?
It was very good because the subject is very different and it's a very message oriented subject. So there are a lot of extrovert scenes in the movie, and so we wanted to establish a point that if the parents are not careful towards their kids and they're not loving to their kids and does not pay enough attention to them, so they can go into the into the wrong path.
Yeah.
So that's the movie's about.
So, it's completely message oriented movie,
It's
right?
completely message oriented.
Okay. So, how is it working with Telugu industry? It's been almost 5 years, right?
Yeah, so it's been amazing. So every producer, every director I've worked with, they've been like amazing, and thank God, I've got to do roles which are very substantial.
Yeah.
They just not come and go, and there were a scope to perform in the roles. So I'm really glad that Telugu industry offered me that.
సో ఫస్ట్ మూవీ పోటుగాడు, రైట్?
Yeah.
అందులో ముంతాజ్ క్యారెక్టర్
Yeah.
నిజంగా అదొక మార్క్ క్రియేట్ చేసేసింది అనుకోవాలి. సో ఆ మూవీలో చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎలా అనిపించింది? హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్?
So the experience was amazing, and especially obviously Potugadu, it was my first movie, and it was very comfortable. So I never thought that it will be so easy going, and surprisingly I was very comfortable in front of the camera. Coming to this movie, it's been a long journey, and same here, there's so much to do. There's so much varieties in the shades in this role that I've played, and it's been fabulous to work.
సో 2 మూవీస్ చేశారు. ఎవరు అల్లు నరేష్తో పాటు సెల్ఫీ రాజా ఒకటి,
Yeah.
జేమ్స్ బాండ్ ఒకటి. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది అల్లు నరేష్ గారితో వర్కింగ్ అదంతా?
He's fabulous. So he's very quiet. He's very shy kind of guy. So, and in fact, I am also very introvert. So we didn't talk much for like a long time in the starting when we shooting. But then slowly. So I also take time to gel up with somebody. So in the end, when we were coming to the end of the shoot, and we became very comfortable. And he's a very nice guy. And amazing to work with. Very professional.
అంటే ఓన్లీ తెలుగులోనే యాక్ట్ చేశారా లేదంటే మిగతా ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో యాక్ట్?
So I've worked in Tamil also.
ఓకే.
With Charan, Gemini's director, and I'm doing a movie with it's again a heroine-oriented movie. It's Ismail Darbaz movie, Hindi,
ఓకే.
and Ashutosh Rana is playing the negative role in that. So again, it's me, and opposite is villain Ashutosh Rana.
సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ తమిళ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Again, very simple people. Very, in fact, Charan sir, he's a like fabulous director. When I started working with him, I got to know why is he so big the way he was, and Tamil, I enjoyed it, and the role that I did in that movie was very different. It was totally village girl, so I get to play so many characters. I think it's a blessing.
సో ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చి తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చి ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5 years, రైట్? కానీ ఈ గ్యాప్లో తెలుగు ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకోలేదా?
So I think I have got bad luck that the movies are taking time to release. So I have done quite a few films, but they are getting late in releasing. So I think that is why the people are not getting to see much more of me. But then so my 3 films are on release. So yeah, hopefully soon.
సో అంటే మీరు సాంగ్ కూడా బాగా పాడతారు అని చెప్పి విన్నాం మేము. ఇస్ ఇట్ ట్రూ?
What?
యూ సింగ్ వెరీ వెల్.
God, why is everybody asking me? I don't sing well. I think I'm very bad.
నో, వన్ సాంగ్ తో बनता है.
Acha, tell me which song should I sing?
your debut movie.
प्यार में पड़ी हुई. Okay. I can hum a little.
No.
No, I can't sing the whole song.
It's okay, it's okay.
प्यार में पड़ी पोया मैं, ओ मियाँ तेरे प्यार में पड़ी पोया मैं. Then I don't remember.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're born and brought up in
In Dehradun.
Dehradun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so మీ childhood అంతా అక్కడే.
So the childhood was beautiful. So Dehradun, it's a valley. Okay, so there are a lot of mountains around it. So I've spent all my time in nature and greenery. So and Hyderabad surprisingly reminds me of that because here is also a lot of greenery. So the few places that I used to when I came here and I traveled to, there's some hilly area here in somewhere. So I was like, oh my God, it's like, I'm back to my hometown. So yeah, it was beautiful.
So feeling home.
Yeah, I felt home when I came here.
ఓకే, సో
Hyderabad.
హైదరాబాద్లో బిర్యానీ టేస్ట్ చేశారా?
Of course. Yeah, very good.
బాగుందా?
My family, whenever I come here, they ask me to bring it. My friends and my family, when you go to Hyderabad, bring biryani for us. So,
సో వాట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ డెహ్రాడూన్ అండ్ హైదరాబాద్? వాట్ డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్?
oh, there's a lot of difference, especially it's, the language, yeah, and the people are different. The whole culture there is different. Here it is very different. But the main thing is that I feel both at home. So I am very comfortable. So if you ask my opinion, the good people are always, there are good people here, good
Yeah.
people. So it's good. It's been
సో
nice.
బాలీవుడ్లో చేసే ఛాన్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? అంటే ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా?
So I'm doing one film,
Okay.
right? And then it's a pretty. We went like to way over budget. It was supposed to be 8 crores. It's reaching around 20 crores. So yeah, we are going to do that, and I think Smile sir has done a great job in that movie. Plus, there are few things coming up until they finalize, and it's going to be very good news
ఓకే,
in Bollywood.
సో బాలీవుడ్లో కూడా ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వబోతున్నారు అనమాట. సాక్షి ఈజ్ ఎంటరింగ్ బాలీవుడ్ ఆల్సో.
Also,
ఓకే, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ యాక్టింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్ దట్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ వాంటెడ్ టు డూ?
traveling.
Traveling. ఓకే,
And in fact-
వండర్లస్ట్.
Yeah, totally. So I love being in different places.
Okay.
I love exploring culture. So whenever I go to a different city, I walk. That's how I get to know about the city, And yeah, in fact, my work offers me to travel also. So I travel a lot because of my work also. So when I'm into this business, I get to fulfill both of my passions. I love acting. I love being in front of the camera, and I love to travel places. So.
ఓకే, సో మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఎలా వచ్చారు? హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
So I was still in college. In fact, when I did Potugadu, I was still in college. So I did Glad Rags when I was in college again. So when I did that,
You won
and
it, right?
I won it.
Yeah.
So when I came back, I started getting a lot of calls from Bombay and here. So I thought I'll go, and then when I went, in fact, Potugadu was the first movie that I auditioned for. Got selected in the first audition, did the movie. It was very like this, quick in the starting.
ఓకే, సో యూ డిడ్ మోడలింగ్ ఎట్ ఫస్ట్
For 3-4 months,
Okay.
that's it. But I did not enjoy modeling at all.
క్యూ? వై ఐ సో?
There's few things that it was like very boring for me.
ఓకే,
If in like in front of the camera, like a still camera, okay, it's like you clicking pictures, fashion shows. I'm like, I did not enjoy because
got
there was no
bored.
because there's no creativity because I could not offer anything, right? So but I started doing commercials. So by the third commercial, I got so enthusiastic that oh my God, I can emote so much in front of the camera. I fell in love with it, and yeah, so that's why I thought there's no point in staying which I don't like. So
Okay.
let's
సో ఇఫ్
jump
నాట్
into something.
యాక్టింగ్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ నాట్ మోడలింగ్, వాట్ వుడ్ సాక్షి బీ?
I think I would have been traveling somewhere, working with Discovery or National Geographic,
Geography.
and
Okay.
traveling the world.
ఓకే, సో యూర్ కంప్లీట్ ట్రావెల్
Oh,
లవర్.
so much.
ఓకే, సో డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డ్రీమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్?
So I don't have any
Dream
dream
roles.
projects. No. All I want is that when I do a film, people somehow connect with me. If I'm getting emotional, they should feel that they should connect with me. And all I want is, leave a mark in the industry that, I do some film of mine that, remains in people's head. This was something that, changed something. So I'm hoping something clicks. I don't know what it will be, but let's see.
ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ అగైన్ టు దిస్ లేటెస్ట్ మూవీ ఇంటి రాజా యూత్ ఇలా ఉంది. సో ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్ మెసేజ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ మూవీ.
Yeah.
సో మీ రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతోంది అందులో? వాట్స్ యువర్ రోల్ ఇన్ దట్ మూవీ?
So I'm playing. My parents have not been considerate towards me, or they have not paid me attention. They don't meet me. They have not, while I was a kid, they have not paid me any attention. So I have somehow gone to the wrong path. I have started smoking. I've started drinking,
Okay.
and a lot of other things. And then, so that is why the character is very bold in the starting, and suddenly that person realizes in the end that what is she doing, and it does not matter, these things are just worldly things, and how she overcomes out of all those things. That's the story is all about.
ఓకే. సో వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ యూ రియలీ వాంటెడ్ టు డూ? ఐ మీన్ లైక్ గ్లామర్ ఓరియంటెడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్
See, I don't differentiate between glamour or the normal character. Whatever the character will be, if the character is good, I'll play it. It does not matter if it's glamorous or if it's not. I think both are good, because if the glamour is also there and you get to perform also. But I
Yeah.
think I'm equally comfortable doing a
Doing-
total village kind of girl, or a proper simple girl, which I'm doing in one of the movie Upe Koha. It's a total, sari the whole time. And so, very different roles.
సో డూ యూ ఫీల్ కంఫర్టబల్ ఇన్ సారీ?
Yeah. Earlier when I started, it was too much to carry, because I never wore sari. We in North don't wear
yeah.
sari, before marriage we
Marriage.
don't. So in the starting it was very difficult, and there's so many jewelries you guys wear.
Yeah.
So in the starting it was difficult, but then I got used to it.
Oh.
And then I'm very comfortable.
ఓకే. సో హూస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్టర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
There's so many. There's Pawan Kalyan, Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun, Prabhas. There's so many. I like all of them.
All of them?
Yeah. I don't have a favorite, but I like all of them.
సో యూ వాంటెడ్ టు వర్క్ విత్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్?
Yeah. Of course,
Okay.
when given the opportunity.
Hopefully.
Yes. Yeah.
So then how is your childhood and all, like your schooling and all?
So my schooling has been in Dehradun,
Mm.
and it
Studies
was.
and
I was a very sincere student.
Okay.
Nobody. I was my teacher's favorite.
Oh.
Yeah. So it was nice. And then while I was coming in 11th, 12th, I became more extrovert from there. Yeah. So it is pretty good, and I don't think so I have anything to complain about. I have lived my life actually. Whatever times I have actually lived them, which I'm very proud of.
Okay, coming back to movies again. In James Bond movie, you acted like Don, right? Bullet character. So, how did you like it?
In fact, I'm very close to that character
Oh.
somehow.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm. I could relate to that role very much, because I'm very tomboyish in my normal life. I'm not girly at all. I'm
Okay.
far from girly. Somehow this industry has made me look like that, I'm a very girl-like. But inside my heart, I'm just a guy, I guess.
Okay.
So, yeah, in fact, I enjoyed it. There's so much of action. So normally girls don't get to do so much of action,
Yeah.
right? Which so when we were shooting the first, not shooting, we were having trials for the action sequences. The master in I guess 1-2 hours said that she's fine, she'll do it, and I had no idea about. I have never done martial arts, or I have never learned anything, but I guess I enjoyed it doing so much that it came out. I mean, that movie is amazing.
It's inside you, I guess.
It is inside me, yeah. That roughness and that that attitude, that came very naturally.
Okay, and in this Potugadu movie, your character is kind of shy character.
Bubbly. It's a very
and
bubbly
shy
guy.
character.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
how did you like it?
I did not connect to it very much because I'm not bubbly at all. I can't laugh. It's very difficult for me to have a huge laugh, and director used to tell me, oh, you have to smile and you have to, what do you say, blush. I can't blush. I don't think so I've ever blushed in my
Okay.
life. And I never had a crush also in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm not that kind of character. So it was difficult, but then I enjoyed it. I mean, in fact, the first thing that we shot was the song "Pyar Mein Padi Bola."
Okay.
We did not do the scenes pehle. We
Okay.
started with the song. So yeah, I mean, so when I started, the dancing was so difficult because the dance is like very peppy, very rowdy types, you know, and very extrovert. And I have never done that, so it was like, what am I doing? You know, I was conscious that, you know, whether am I looking good or whether it's, you know, how is it looking. But I guess now I'm very much comfortable. Now I can, yeah. So I
You
guess
can
it's
dance.
yeah. I mean, I can dance, and I don't feel awkward in it, or I don't bother, you know, how it is looking. Yeah, now it's
So
better.
in beginning you felt a little awkward or what?
In the rowdy steps, yeah, you know, all the steps, you know, right? I mean, I was very conscious about doing that because I've never done it, and I didn't know how will it look on me because I'm tall, you know, I'm tall and I've
Yeah.
got a very strong personality, so I didn't know how it's going to be. But I guess slowly I got the jig of it, and then now it's fine.
So how is it working with Manchu Manoj?
Oh, he's a prankster. He's a total prankster, and he used to tease everybody on the set. So I did not feel like he's working. You know, like with Naresh, I took time to gel up. Manoj was something you can't just sit like that. You know, he'll come and he'll poke you and he'll start talking something. So yeah, he was really great.
ఓకే సో పొట్టుగాడు మూవీలో ఛాన్స్ ఎలా వచ్చింది?
Um, so I got a call from you know, some casting director, and they are having the auditions. They called me, so they had a look test of how I look. They were casting for Mumtaz at that time, so they wanted to see that how do I look in the Muslim character. They made me wear something, and I guess they just saw the look and made me say like 2-3 lines. That's it.
సో రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారితో కూడా వర్క్ చేశారు మీరు,
Yeah.
రైట్? సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్?
Oh, he's a very genuine and very shant guy, very peaceful, and you know. So all the directors that I've worked with, they have been amazing, you know. And Rajendra Prasad sir, if you talk about he's such a senior actor, and he's been very supportive. And if I don't get something, he's actually done it in front of me that's how you should do it, you know, and how should you react, because obviously, I mean, compared to him, I'm like nowhere. So yeah, he was very supportive and very kind.
సో డిడ్ హీ గివ్ ఎనీ సజెషన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్?
Of course, in the starting he gave me a lot of suggestions. That's how you should do it. That's how you should do it, and I took it because yeah, obviously he's a senior actor,
Yeah.
and he, you know, it yeah. So it's nice when you learn something, you know, from such people, and it's always enlightening.
సో డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్స్ ఇన్ మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ? డూ యూ లుక్ ఎనీ వన్ అండ్ గెట్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్?
So I have watched a lot of movies. I wouldn't say that some particular thing, but mostly stories of the films, you know. Uh, I watch and somehow try to connect with it. That's how, you know, that's how I see if I would have been in that situation, how would I react. So I'm always doing that in my head. Inspiration. So there are a lot of movies that kind of struck me. Which I think, and sometimes I take down their names, you know, that if I get to do the scene in future, then how do I get that much of emotion in me and, you know, to perform. So yeah, I think there are a lot of films, and I think films are a means to escape your reality. Yeah. So and sometimes they are very supportive. Like if you're going through something and you watch the movie, you know, and the people are going through the same thing, you connect it and you feel better about yourself, that I'm not the only one who's going through a lot of things. So yeah, I think movie has played such an important role in my life, and yeah, I'm grateful.
సో ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ టు రీమేక్ ఎనీ మూవీ, సో వాట్ వుడ్ ఇట్ బి?
Which role would I do? Lara Croft.
ఓకే.
Lara Croft, you know, Angelina Jolie,
yeah, I
Lara
know.
Croft, yeah, that kind of role I would love to do.
ఓకే. సో ఇన్ తెలుగు మూవీస్, తెలుగు ఆర్ బాలీవుడ్ ఆర్ కాలీవుడ్ ఎక్సెట్రా?
Bollywood would be Black.
బ్లాక్.
The
Okay. Amitabh Bachchan.
and Rani Mukherjee. Rani Mukherjee's role. Something that's very exciting that I don't think so I would be able to do. So Black, I think what Rani Mukherjee has done, she's done a very fabulous job, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but then I would like to see if I do it.
ఓకే. సో కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఫ్యామిలీ అగైన్, ఆర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సిబ్లింగ్స్?
I have a small brother.
Okay.
He's just 11. He just turned 11.
11.
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
So what is it like being apart from family all the time?
It's difficult. It's difficult, but I like my mom does call me like 3 times a day at least. You know, morning and in the afternoon and in the night before sleeping. But yeah, I think I'll make them shift with me as soon. I think I'm going to shift to Hyderabad pretty soon.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll call them with me because it's nice when you have the family support. You know,
Yeah,
you
exactly.
just don't feel alone, and yeah,
So in shooting busy, you miss them really, I guess.
I do miss them.
Okay.
Yeah.
In festival times also.
Festival times, especially because most of the times I'm alone in the festivals and there's nobody. So yeah, then you miss them, and then yeah. So, but I don't think so that will be a problem anymore in the
ఓకే
future.
సో ఫ్యామిలీ సపోర్ట్ అంతా ఎలా ఉండింది అంటే లైక్ మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీకి వస్తాము అన్నప్పుడు
So my mom has been. I'm blessed, I think, to have a mom like that. That she's showed so much of faith in me that I can go ahead in this industry and you know do things properly. I think I'm blessed. I think not everybody is that blessed that
Exactly.
their parents accept, but my family has been very supportive, and I'm glad for it.
సో డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీస్ ఇన్ కోపింగ్ విత్ దిస్ ఇండస్ట్రీ
Not exactly difficult, but you got to have patience in this industry of what you want. So I think I've always waited, and I wanted things in my own way, and I think I've always made sure that I go what I want. I've never compromised on what I want and how I want it. So so that is difficult because I'm not, you know, I'm nowhere near connected to the industry, like nowhere. So you don't have that kind of support. But yeah, I think your patience always pays off.
ఓకే కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ మూవీ అగైన్ సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ దట్ టీమ్
So the team was amazing. So it was everybody was doing their first time, and you know, so the kind of professionalism that they showed, that you know, because they have no idea how it works and how it goes, but everybody handled it so well, and yeah. So sometimes we shot like day and night also, 24 hours straight we shot, and yeah, it's been nice.
ఓకే విత్ డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ ఆల్
So the director sir has been amazing too. He's so if I didn't like something and if I asked them, you know, sir, please, you know, if you can do something about it, he's been very supportive of it. He's changed it or he's modified it in some way, which for an actor is very essential because then I feel comfortable doing something. So yeah, he's a wonderful director.
సో కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఆక్సిజన్ మూవీ యూ డెడ్ ఐటమ్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ దట్ మూవీ రైట్ సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ
So Jyoti Krishna sir, he called me and then he insisted me for, you know, that you should do it, you should do it, you should do it. And then I think after some point I gave up. Yeah, then I said, you know, let's just go ahead and do it. So yeah, it was very straightforward.
ఓకే సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ ఐటమ్ సాంగ్
Very different, very different though, because it was first time like that, and then uh, obviously that was also a very rowdy song. So yeah, in the starting again, so in the start of the song, when I start shooting it, it's always I take time to get in the zone of it, but as you progress, it becomes fine. uh, yeah, I was a little bit hesitant, uh, but then it worked out fine.
ఇట్ వెంట్ బి లైక్ దట్ గో విత్ ద ఫ్లో
Yeah, go with the flow. It's like I didn't think much after some time, so just go with it.
సో అంటే తెలుగు డైలాగ్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు కష్టం అనిపించలేదా
So somehow I have not never had a problem with the dialogues.
Okay.
I learn it and then I say it. That way, I'm pretty confident. Like I don't have a problem with dialogues. The only thing that I think in a movie I'm worried about is the dance and laughing.
Cute.
Like laughing. I told you I'm not that kind of person that, you know, who's like bubbly and, you know, who keeps on giggling all the time. I'm not like that. So I think that is where I can struggle a bit. And songs are becoming fine. So that's the only two things. The dialogues are pretty fine, I think. And the directors also will agree that somehow I cope up.
సో ఎనీ తెలుగు డైలాగ్ ఫర్ us
God, I don't remember any right now. You asked me, I don't remember. Next time I'll.
అట్లీస్ట్ బిట్ స్మాల్ అట్లీస్ట్ లైన్
I can't remember anything. Next time, Pakka, if I'll meet you, I'll make a dialogue for you and I'll say.
బిగ్ వన్
Yeah, middle one.
ఓకే దెన్ ఫైన్. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా, అంటే లైక్ ఏమంటారు, ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఇప్పుడే వస్తున్న వాళ్ళు, లైక్ హీరోయిన్గా మమ్మల్ని చూసుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్న వాళ్ళకి, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఏం చెప్తారు? వాట్ విల్ యూ సే
About the-
న్యూ కమర్స్?
About the newcomer who's going to come in the
Yeah.
industry, I think have a lot of character in you. I mean, people will come around what you want and how you know how you want it, and just be confident on the screen. When a role is offered to you, be confident while you're doing it. Even if you're uncomfortable, you know, don't let it show on the screen, because that's how it will affect on your work. And I'm sure that there'll be like I had like few problems in the glamour part sometime, but I think you don't have to come that on your face that it's
Yeah.
causing a problem to you. Otherwise, I think if you do good work on the screen, everybody will come around.
ఓకే, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ మెమరబుల్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఇన్ రీసెంట్ టైమ్స్?
In recent times, yeah, so for I was doing it was so memorable. I can say that I was shooting a movie, and we were shooting in a very Tamil Nadu ka village, and there was a river, and I had from the river I had to come out of the river. So there were like huge fish in the river, and they were biting on my legs, so I could
Okay.
not stand still. And I cut myself, I don't know for how many where, because there was huge stones also.
Okay.
So yeah, I think that was the time that I got really worried, because what's happening. I could not stay still for the camera, and yeah, we took a lot of time to shoot it. And then once we shot for like 36 hours straight. So I shot for one movie, and went to Bombay in the flight, changed there, and then again to the next set and shot the whole day. So 36 hours we shot, and but I did not feel like it somehow. I love to sleep, okay? So it's
Oh.
very difficult for me to not sleep. But then that time we shot for 36 hours straight. But I guess love for the movie, I did not feel sleepy.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ యూ గాట్ టిల్ నౌ?
Till now, that so I think for the films, that I get a lot of compliments for James Bond. So that you've done like really good, and then yeah. So I think I really feel glad about when people compliment on the work that I've done in that film.
So coming back to this movie again, tell me something about movie director and producer. How is it working with them?
So I told you that's what has been very incorporating. If I want something, he's done it, and then being supportive for the whole process. And he writes. So when I used to shoot the scene, he used to write on the spot the dialogues, and then So I think he's a writer also. So I think that was very mesmerizing to actually shoot everything on spot and do the dialogues. Which is amazing, and the story that he came up with, I think it's very nice. So I'm not a smoker. I don't smoke. I hate the people. I can't bear it.
Oh,
So I think you saw the trailer. You must have seen the trailer.
Yeah.
I'm holding a cigarette in almost every scene. It became so difficult for me at one point that to inhale everything. But yeah, it was a different experience.
Sakshi, it's really nice talking to you, and
Same here.
we all hope a very good luck to you in future also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. సో చూసారు కదా, సాక్షి మనతో ఎన్ని చెప్పారు అంటే మూవీస్ గురించి, తన చైల్డ్హుడ్ గురించి, మూవీస్లో ఎలా వచ్చారు అన్న దాని గురించి. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ మరో మంచి చేస్తూ మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అంతవరకు దిస్ ఇస్ గాయత్రి సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ టాటా.